Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset or force restart option will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, you cannot do anything, you cannot tap on anything, your device does not respond to your touches. It will be useful because it will be restarted. So we can do it just by pressing the power button, which is located right here, and the volume down button together, and wait, ignore everything what will happen, so for example the screenshot, etc. So let me press both of those buttons, and right now, of course, as I said, the screenshot has been made and we have to wait. We had also the information that we have to do it for 6 seconds. The screen is black. Right now I think I can release the finger because right now we can see the developer's logo, and our device will be restarted and hopefully it will work perfectly fine. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.